Hey everyone, let us check out the stunning Wisenvoy Ceramic Dinnerware Set. This 12-piece collection features a gorgeous hand-painted vivid rose pattern for rustic elegance. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, it offers exceptional durability and scratch resistance. Enjoy everyday convenience, since these pieces are safe for the microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher. Cleanup is an absolute breeze, thanks to the smooth porcelain texture. It makes a wonderful gift for weddings, housewarmings, and special family gatherings. Transform your dining table with this beautiful, reliable, and versatile dish set today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.